There. Just there. Good boy. Okay, go move him. Pick up that treat and go move him. Go around first, Grace. Just start in front of me and go around so I can get you going. So. Go again. See if he'll freestyle for you. We've trained him to sit very well. Don't hold his head up so high and then he won't sit. He's good, he's just damn cute. Okay, move him down and back. Bear! Bear, never mind the treat. What? Well, he's looking at you for the treat. Bear! Good puppy. Now go do it again. Nice bum. Good puppy. Yay. Very nice. Pretty good.